Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up YouTube Kids with parental controls. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be sent to the home page. Now, the most basic parental control that you can use is the restricted mode. For that, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen, then open the Settings tab and inside the General section, toggle on this feature called Restricted Mode. Once you do that, all of the content that is restricted or requires age to watch will be removed from the feed and search result of that particular account. Another thing that you can do is setting up the YouTube Kids account. For that, open App Store or Play Store and search for YouTube Kids. Now, download the app and open it up. After that, you will be prompted to tell them whether you are a parent. Simply tap on I'm a parent, then continue by tapping on the arrow icon and you will be asked to enter your birth year. Now, solve this basic math quiz and then select the age of your child. Once you are done, it will show you the type of content YouTube will display that age group. If you are satisfied, tap on select Done, and then tap on I agree to complete the setup. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.